Within Regions CashFlowIQ, you can customize your approval process and workflows to help maintain separation of duties among your bank users and collaborators. Within Regions OnePass, you have the following bank roles: administrators, payers, and authorized users. You will need to set up each bank user in OnePass before granting access to CashFlowIQ. Only administrators can add collaborators in CashFlowIQ. Collaborator roles in approval workflows are accountant, approver, auditor, and clerk. Administrators can set up bill approval workflows. Here's how it works. First, go to Settings. Under Payables, select Approval Settings. Confirm you would like to add a bill approval workflow. Select whether you would like to allow edits to bills and vendor credits after they are routed for approval. And then, under the Default Approvers section, decide if you will include default approvers on all new bills or new bills without approvers. Next, select the default approver or group of approvers in your organization. Save your changes. If you would like to create a bill approval policy, ensure your accounting preferences are set correctly. First, go to Settings. Then, under the Accounting section, select Preferences. Next, select the edit icon on the top right and choose Yes for any criteria you will need for your bill approval policies. Once you have your settings the way you want, select Save. Your accounting preferences are now saved. Now you can create bill approval policies and assign approvers based on the criteria you enabled in your accounting preferences. To create a new bill approval policy, go to Settings. Under Payables, select Bill Approval Policies. Create the policy name and choose criteria for the policy. You can create policies based on the following criteria: total bill amount, line item amount, department, customer, vendor, chart of account, or any additional criteria you have enabled within your accounting preferences. Next, choose the approver or approver group to assign for this policy and select Save. Your new bill approval policy is saved and you can see it above. To set the hierarchy of the bill approval policies, simply drag and drop policies in the order you want them prioritized. You can have up to 300 active policies, including bill and vendor credit policies. Policies may include multiple criteria. For each criterion, you may select more than one value. For example, you can select multiple vendors for a policy. You can also assign approvers to a bill. Simply select Bills under Payables in the left navigation. Choose the bill you want to pay. Select the Edit link, and then select the approver or approvers. Once you assign approvers to a bill, Smart Data will remember and automatically assign those same approvers on the next bill from the same vendor. You can manually adjust approvers if needed. If you choose to allow edits after bills or vendor credits are routed for approval, here are a few parameters. You can make changes to bills or credits at any time until the bill is paid or you apply the credit. If you need to change a fully approved bill or vendor credit, you'll need to delete the approved bill and create a new bill or credit. Keep in mind, approval status does not sync to or from any accounting system. For more information about custom approvals and workflows within Regions CashFlowIQ, please check out our Help Center articles located within your dashboard, or contact Regions Client Services at 1-800-787-3905 or via email at clientservicesgroup@regions.com.